In this video, I am gonna show you how to make this amazing cards menu animation in Figma. So let's get started. First of all, let's make a frame. Now let's make a rectangle. Now let's add some text. Now select a frame and add a fill. Now select rectangle and add some radius. And now put some text in it. Now duplicate the rectangle. Now select the duplicate rectangle and add some text. Now select the ellipse and add an image. Select text and image and add auto layout. Then select icons and add auto layout agent. Now duplicate this rectangle. Select all the rectangles. Drag them out of the frame. Now duplicate them all. Now let's rename their text. Now select the first 3 rectangles. Make their alignment middle. And make them at the back of first rectangle frame. Now select them and make them in one frame. Now do the same with others. Now select the frames. Make their equal spacing. And drag them in the frame. Now duplicate the frame. Select the last 3 rectangles of second frame, and drag them downward. Now select the first rectangle. And then select the 3 frame at the back of it. And drag them downward. And make them spacing of 8. Now duplicate the first frame. Now select the last 2 rectangle of third frame, and drag them downward. Now select the second rectangle, and then select the 3 frames at the back of it, drag them downward, and make them spacing of 8. Now duplicate the first frame. And do the same with it also. Now duplicate the first frame. Now duplicate the second frame. Select drop-down first frame, and drag right. Now duplicate this frame. And do the same with it also. Now duplicate this frame. Now let's prototype them. Let's start with first frame. Select first rectangle of it, and connect with second frame. Choose on click. Animation will be Smart Animate, Curve Gentle, and duration will be 800 milliseconds. Now at second frame, select first rectangle of it, and connect with first frame, and animation will be same. Now again go to first frame and select second rectangle of it and connect with third frame. Animation will be same. Now select third rectangle of it. And connect with fourth frame. Animation will be same. Do the same with the fourth rectangle. Now at third frame. Connect its second rectangle with the first frame. Now at fourth frame. Connect its third rectangle with the first frame. Now at fifth, connect its last rectangle with first frame. Now go to second frame. Connect it first drop-down rectangle with its below frame. Animation will be on drag. Now at below frame. Connect its drop-down first rectangle with its below frame. Animation will be same. Now let's see how it looks. It lookings good. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos.